If you're wondering if you can set your own photo as always on display, let's say wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, in the actual settings for our device, there's no way where you'll be able to do that. So you will need to either try third-party apps like Movies Edge, and if we actually enter just to show you that our AOD settings, there's no option anywhere here which allows us to use AOD custom wallpaper. But one thing that you can try, which is already installed on your device, is to select themes. Then in that section we can find AODs, and from AODs we'll be able to select a custom AOD that is found in the market, and you can use whichever one you like, but keep in mind that most of them will cost you money. There's always a free section if you scroll all the way down, and there's also plenty of choices that you can use. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.